Good evening, traders. Welcome to the daily recap for September 7th, 2022. Let's take a look at what we did today. We came into the day, we were leaning bearish on the SPY if it was unable to reclaim the pivot. It did really early on. We got a nice push to the upside. We went long a lot of things out the gate, and that ended up turning into some really nice options trades as well as equity trades. So let's kind of just hammer through these. We had a really good trade this morning. We grabbed, so first and foremost, we grabbed Tesla long. We got about 2 points on that. 3 points on that one to the upside. We ended up rolling into the 290 calls, which worked out nicely for about 70%. We took some Coop long for about 40 cents long, really didn't do much. JZ long, we ended up just cutting this one off flat at the end of the day, didn't really do anything. Actually, we ended up getting about 6-7 cents on it, so not bad, but nothing too crazy in that regard. We took SE long this morning. We got about a point and change on that one, which was fantastic. SHPH, which was the big winner on the equity side, we grabbed it long around the, let me just take a look at the exact level for it, guys, because this was a good one, 28.23. We traded it all the way into the 46 plus level area. We sold most of it up here. We had 1/8 left. We got stopped out the rest at $35. So 18 points and change, 64% on the equity. Really nice trade for us. mRNA took this one long as well for about 2 points to the upside. We ended up rolling into the 140 calls, which worked out nicely at the end of the day. Got a pretty decent push there. We took some Peru long, 14.75. Got stopped out at 14 bucks this morning on the starter position. So that was a failed trade there. QNRX, we took this one long at 437. We got a really nice push to the upside there into the 520s. Ended up selling most of it. UNH 519 long. We ended up getting about 3 points on that one. Sorry, 3 points on that one to the upside. Some decent trade there. And that's it on the equity side. So equity side, really high hit rate, did extremely well. Happy with it. SHPH was the big winner for us. On the option side, we came in today with some SAVA 30 calls. Those went up about 359%. We also had the 32 calls, which worked for 100%. SPX, we grabbed the 3980s at the middle of the day, basically. Actually, more like after the morning. And we got a really nice push on those for about 319%, so happy with that. Coin, we took the 70 calls long for 229%. Triple M, the 120 calls off the lows for 186%. Walmart, 135 calls for 123%. Netflix, 230 calls for 100%. Then we had a couple other, small calls, small little trades here and there, like crowd puts for 45%. We had some, what else do we have? Disney for 24%, the 115 calls. Baba for about 17%, Oxy for about 30%, UPST, that was a flat trade. We had some SPX puts this morning as a hedge. Those ones didn't work because it was a hedge. GSAT, that was another call that didn't work. 3 calls, those that did not work for us. They were like 30 cents, and that's it. So all in all, really high hit rate today. We kind of just let the market do its thing, grind us higher, and it worked out really nicely for us. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow, guys, should be an interesting day. Should be a busy one. And looking forward. If you guys want to come trade with us, we do give you guys live access to our stream all day long, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So we stream, basically the entire day. Well, definitely during the entire market hours. We get access to the Discord where we give you entries, exits, stops, targets, all that good stuff, answering questions literally all day long. You get access to all the moderators, over 200 years of a combined experience between all the mods. So it's quite a bit of tenure between them. And everyone's kind of got a different specialty, so it's fantastic. Options and equity trading all day long. And if you guys want to pop into the free Discord, there is a link in the description in this video as well. Otherwise, if you have any questions, go to SpartanTrading.com. You can ask us there. Have a good one, guys, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. See ya.